Okay, I've got a 2003 Chevy S10 with a 4.3 two-wheel drive. Customer complaint, wasn't starting, and radio won't shut off when you exit the vehicle. The no start was just a dirty terminal on the battery side post. The terminal was dirty, so we straightened that out. But this is the problem with this one. With the radio, I'll show you what it's doing. We got the radio on. You shut the car off. When you exit the vehicle, the radio is supposed to shut off. As you see, it doesn't. There's the switch. It doesn't, but I'll show you on the passenger side, if you open the door, the radio will go off. Watch. The way it's supposed to. So I'm tending to believe we're gonna find a bad switch over here on the dash behind the panel, which is this switch here. So I'm gonna place these down over here. We're gonna take all the screws off the bolster. The panel, they call it a bolster. So we're gonna remove all the bolts. There's like 6 of them. So I'm gonna take these all off here. Yep, I am using the new Snap-on little cordless drill. Excellent, excellent tool. You got the 2 buttons on the back, left and right. So we're gonna take this off. It is 1/4-inch drive, little 1/4-inch socket. So we got like 7 bolts here, I believe it is. So let's take a look and see what we got going on here. Let's pop out. Oh, there we go. There's your problem. And there's the problem right there. See the wire? Right here? Well, I'm gonna assume that's gonna be the problem, so we're gonna plug it back in. It is right there. Oh yeah, hear it dinging? So I'm gonna assume that is the problem. So let's turn it on. I'll shut the key off. I'm gonna hold the switch in. I'm gonna shut the key off. Now, I do have the switch held in, as you can see. So let's see if it shuts off. Oh, there we go. There's the problem. All it was a switch that wasn't plugged in. And there we have it. So now we diagned it, found the problem, fixed it, and confirmed it. So what more could you want than that? Have a great day from Nitro's Auto Repair.